Hi, my name is Dominique and I'm a mother of three. I just finished the 7-week class from Celine on health and productivity. I just wanted to say that it's made more than my expectation. I went there for a cooking class basically to do a whole food plant-based, and I found out to be a whole class about lifestyle, about the different diseases that are due to food. And what I liked about the class is how it started from where I am in my family, what we like, what we eat, and how we can clean it up and be more empowered in our food. I mean, every week we had a new lesson, and Celine will walk us through how to remove sugar, milk product, and give us alternative and empower us on making it ourselves. So that was very, very good for me. So I was able to get rid of refined sugar altogether. So I'm very excited about that because this is a problem in my family. So I will highly recommend Celine health and productivity class. For me, it's kind of changed my life. So I thought this was really going to be a difficult process to be plant-based whole food, but it's very easy, and thanks to Celine. So thank you.